G!
B.
Q, I, A, plus.
Today, this is not to argue.
Not to hate!
And definitely not to cancel anyone. We're here for something simple.
Understanding, acceptance,
Respect.
and learning. Pero bago natin marating ang rainbow, kailangan muna nating intindihan ang basics.
Unahin natin ang sex.
Sex, ito yung biological traits natin, like male or female.
In short, ito yung physical characteristics ng katawan.
Next is gender.
Ito naman ang roles and expectations ng society.
Boys should be strong.
And girls should be gentle. Pero honestly naman, pwede rin namang strong ang girls and gentle ang boys, di ba?
Di naman rulebook ang society.
Next is gender identity.
This is how a person views themselves.
And remember, hindi ito sakit. Hindi rin virus. Isa itong identity.
Next is sexual orientation. Ito naman kung kanino ka na-attract.
For example, ikaw, attracted ka
Sa pagkain,
Baliw!
Simple lang. Kapag straight, attracted ka sa opposite na gender. Kung gay or lesbian, attracted ka sa same na gender. Kapag bisexual naman, attracted ka sa more than one.
Ngayong alam na natin ang basics,
Let's talk about LGBTQIA+.
that's an umbrella term for people with different sexual orientations, sexual characteristics, and gender identities.
Oh my God, ang sipin namang dalawa.
Oh, magkapatid na kayo.
mag-girlfriend po. Lesbian, a woman attracted to women. Ang sweet mo naman, babe.
Hey pre, may ba to sa akin?
Bagay, pero mas bagay ka sa akin. Gay usually prefers the man attracted to man.
Wait, crush mo ba siya? Eh siya?
Oo din.
Multitasking?
Hindi. Bisexual refers to a person that is attracted to both genders.
Wait, ikaw ba talaga to? Hindi ka ba dating...
Yes, but this is who I truly am. Transgender, a person whose gender identity is different from the sex assigned at birth. So ano? Ano ka ba talaga?
I don't know. I'm still figuring it out.
Okay lang yan, Des.
Queer or questioning. Someone exploring or identifying outside traditional labels.
Gusto ko din. Ikaw, ba't parang hindi ka interested sa love?
Kasi hindi naman lahat kailangan ng love story. Intersex, people who born with biological traits that don't fit typical male or female categories.
Naputo o sa tsakati.
Hindi rin. Asexual, someone who experiences little or no sexual attraction.
Eh, paano yung plus?
It includes many other identities beyond these letters.
Because identity is more diverse than we think. Pauso lang yan.
Actually, the LGBTQ plus community has been around for centuries.
History books just didn't always talk about that.
Wala namang ganyan noon. Before colonization in the Philippines, they were babaylans who didn't follow strict gender roles.
Meaning, diversity has always existed. You're bell sa simbahan.
Faith and identity don't have to fight each other.
Hindi kailangan mag-away ng rainbow at langit. Parehas nasa sky.
Words can hurt.
Sometimes, jokes becomes discrimination.
And discrimination becomes exclusion.
But remember,
Behind every label,
Is still a human being. A friend,
a classmate,
a sibling,
Someone who simply wants respect.